Good evening. My name is Michael Siem, and I'm a steering committee member for the project and also a volunteer lawyer from Fish and Richardson. I'm truly honored to be here to present the award, the Exceptional Service Award to Dorsey and Whitney. Robin asked before presenting the award that I say a few words about how I got started in working with the project. About 6 years ago, I called Robin and I told her that I had never done a capital case and that I wanted to work on one. Told her my only experience was doing patent litigation, which was a little far afield from this area, but she agreed to put me on a case with an experienced capital litigator, Joe Flood. Joe and I worked on a Virginia capital appeal. With Joe's support, we filed the briefing, and I did the oral argument. We lost that case, but subsequent to that, working with people like Michelle Brace, who's here, and others in Virginia, we took another case and got a resentencing hearing for a client and ultimately fundamentally changed the law in Virginia. With the help of the project, as well as experienced capital litigators, attorneys like me with no experience in this area are able to provide excellent legal services to those on death row. So I encourage attorneys who have yet to take one of these cases to follow the example of the attorneys who are being recognized tonight and fill this much needed void in legal representation. Because of my experience, as well as being part of the steering committee and seeing how difficult it is to find attorneys to do this work, I am in a unique position to fully appreciate the exceptional work and dedication Dorsey and Whitney has provided to indigent defendants in death row. The recipients will be going over a little bit more about the work that they've done, but just a few of their highlights show how much and how great the work that they've done is. They've been doing this work for 20 years. They've donated tens of thousands of pro bono hours to the project, and they've represented individuals in 3 of the toughest and most active death penalty states in the country. None of these defendants would have had representation had Dorsey and Whitney not taken these cases. Therefore, on behalf of the ABA Death Penalty Representation Project, I'm pleased to present one of this year's 2011 Exceptional Service Awards to Dorsey and Whitney.